How to fix limited access in Discord. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily fix the limited access problem in Discord. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. On that note, let us jump right into the video. First thing you have to do is simply go ahead and open up your Discord and find the channel that you're having limited access on. Then from here, you just have to open up your web browser and simply search for Discord support. Now from here, you can just tap on it. And on the help center, you are going to search for limited access. You will see the limited access FAQs. Go ahead and scroll down until you find this option that says submit a ticket here. So go ahead and click on here. Now here you're going to have to enter your email address. So on your email address, just enter the email address that's connected to your Discord account. And then from here, you could write your subject saying limited access. And now on the description part, you're going to have to explain which channel is you're facing the limited access on and why you think it might be so. And after doing all of that, you could also drop in some additional files to support your statement. Click on submit and Discord's help and support team will contact you on the email that you've provided above, and then you should be good to go. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video.